Uttar Pradesh BJP leadership has ended speculation over an impending major leadership change after highly placed BJP sources claimed that the party has not been mulling any surprise as speculated in the Yogi Adityanath government. Also, added that the party's top brass is not only preparing for an organizational overhaul but also a cabinet rejig. However, they are set to implement significant cabinet reshuffles due to escalating tensions sparked by Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya's cryptic comment. His discussions with the BJP President JP Nadda in New Delhi have widened the gulf between him and CM Yogi Adityanath, fueling rumors of internal strife from the opposition. These events highlight the unstable political climate in the state and overshadow governance priorities as the critical by-elections approach. The major upheaval in the UP came after the poor performance of BJP in the recently concluded Lok Sabha elections, where the tally reduced to 33 seats, a drop of 29 seats from the 2019 elections, prompting CM Yogi to consider a major reorganization of his cabinet. Ahead of the impending State Assembly monsoon session, Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath's recent meeting with the Governor Anandiben Patel at Raj Bhavan, Lucknow has brought to light internal problems within the BJP. This follows discussions about organizational concern between State BJP President Bhupendra Singh Chaudhary and senior national leadership amidst rumors of conflict involving Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya. These initiatives highlight efforts to consolidate ahead of critical political engagements in the state as the party prepares to address recent electoral setbacks. Since 2017, the Yogi Maurya feud has been raging in political circles. CM Yogi Adityanath was selected to lead the state, much to Keshav Maurya's dismay, despite Yogi winning the assembly elections with a landslide majority while Keshav Maurya was leading the state BJP. Deputy CM Maurya's cryptic remarks that the organization is always bigger than the government is being interpreted as subdued criticism of CM Yogi's style of government, indicating a broader discontent among the party officials. Thus, in order to calm the agitation and stabilize the party before the next by-election, BJP President JP Nadda has intervened by carrying out a range of meetings with Deputy CM Maurya and State BJP President Bhupendra Chaudhary. While the organizational restructure aims to reunify BJP's ranks amidst mounting external criticism owing to the party's diminished seat count, the developments triggered a phase of reflection and underscored the necessity for structural reforms. This upcoming shakeup not only aims to address internal dissatisfaction but also seeks to revamp the party's election strategy.